Welcome, in today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the screen refresh rate in Doom: The Dark Ages. So at first go to the settings, then locate the tab where you can see the screen icon on it. Then, as you can see, 5th position will be refresh rate. Then you can choose it. And I have only 60 because I use the screen with 60 Hz. But if you have a better screen, you will see different options here. To apply some of the options, you can tap on it, then choose apply or click R on the keyboard to apply the settings, then yes. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!